Hello everybody, this is Brian with Vermillion Enterprises. Today is August 5th, 2024. Silver is sitting just north of $27 per ounce and gold is sitting just north of $2,400 per ounce. Yesterday and slash this morning, Hurricane Debbie came through. Pretty much missed us. We very fortunate here, so we are going to be open for business normal hours, assuming that the power stays on. I don't know if the couriers are all going to be running, so those with packages going out today or maybe coming in today, I'm assuming at this point they are live and moving. Starbucks was open this morning, so I gotta imagine that the mail and FedEx and UPS are operating, but at this point I honestly do not know if they will be. I am assuming that they are going to. So it is Monday. We are going to do a premiums video. As you can see, it's a little rougher than usual presentation wise, but we are going to get through it. It's still dark outside as I'm filming this, so came in, wanted to make sure that the ship was straight here after the storm, and fortunately it looks like we just got a bunch of down limbs, and it looks like I only lost one sign. So that is considered a success here. I think very lucky, fortunate, and hopefully our neighbors and friends to the north of us in the Tallahassee area do as well. All right, folks, so without further ado, let's dig into the premiums. I will say up front, nothing's changed since the last time I did a premiums video, so I think that was Wednesday or Thursday last week. So it is the same. Nothing has changed. I don't think there will be much changes unless the silver keeps falling. Looks like it's already down $1 plus today. So we'll obviously keep our eyes on that. Might be a great time to buy. You know, as they say, buy the dip. So we'll see. Let's see what the day brings, and let's dig in here. Hold on just a second. All right, starting off with 1 ounce gold eagles and 1 ounce gold buffaloes. We are buying them at the spot price of gold, and we are selling them at the spot price of gold plus 4%. Again, that's for retail friendly material. These are most likely all going to be back dates. 1/2 ounce gold eagles, we are buying them at the melt price of gold and selling them at the melt price of gold plus 7%. 1/4 ounce gold eagles, we're buying at the melt price of gold plus 2%, selling at the melt price of gold plus 9%. And for 1/10 ounce gold eagles, we are buying them at the melt price of gold plus 4%, selling them at the melt price of gold plus 11%. Again, this is all for BU retail friendly material. That is most likely going to be back dates. If you're interested in purchasing, can't guarantee the dates as always, and also do not expect 2024 material. Again, this is for BU retail friendly, nice looking coins here. And then platinum, we're buying it at the spot price of platinum plus $80. That's for 1 ounce platinum eagles. And we're buying them and we're selling them at the spot price of platinum plus $140. So we do have them live in the shop, ready to go. Again, these are all back dates. They didn't make any platinum eagles this year, and as far as I understand it, that is a discontinued mint product. I do not believe they are going to make any more in the future except for the proofs. So just keep that in mind. These are all going to be, I believe, 2022s and before. So we are selling NGC and PCGS graded MS63, MS64, and MS65 common date Morgan silver dollars, random dates. These are all, like I say, going to be commons, all going to be graded by PCGS or NGC. We're selling MS63s for $70, MS64s for $90, MS65s for $165. I'm actually pretty happy with these. These have actually picked up in popularity, and we are starting to move these out the door. So we appreciate that. We're going to continue to offer these. And hopefully at some point in time, we'll add peace dollars into the mix. We just got to have enough hours in the day to make that happen. So common date, various levels of toning. You see it's an 040 and a 63. Some are going to be blast white, some are going to have some toning to it. As you can see this in the MS64 here. And you got MS65 that looks like it's pretty much blast white. Again, these are going to be common date, blast white, and toned, various levels of toning. So all going to be PCGS or NGC graded though. All right, big silver. So kilo bars and up, basically, we are buying at the spot price of silver minus $1, selling them at the spot price. So we do have a couple 100-ounce bricks in the shop, ready to go. We are out of kilos, though. And then we have some off-quality miscellaneous 1-ounce rounds that we are also selling at the spot price of silver. So off-quality material, we buy at the spot price of silver minus $1 per ounce. That's going to be for your miscellaneous onesie twosie rounds that come in, milky, not solid design tubes, scruffy, scratched up stuff. And then anything like that are kilo size and bigger bars. So in kilos, 50 ounce, 100 ounce, we're going to be at the spot price minus $1. And we're selling all this spot material at the spot price of silver. I believe we got 200 ounce bars in the shop if you're interested. And this is what I have in a way of off quality 1 ounce silver rounds. There's probably a tube there. So if you want this kind of material, please at least buy 20 ounces at a time. All right. Then we got 2 1-ounce rounds, 1-ounce bars, 5-ounce bars, 10-ounce bars, 2-ounce rounds, and then of course junk 90. So we are buying all of this material at the spot price of silver, and we are selling it at the spot price of silver plus $1 per ounce. So that includes all of your junk 90, so 1964 and before dimes, quarters, and half dollars. Right now, if you're interested in purchasing any, we're well stocked on quarters and halves, running lean on dimes. So probably not any dimes in the way to ship out. But we got a bunch to process, so hopefully we'll get some more going today. 1-ounce rounds, solid tubes. Nice, not milky material. We're buying at the spot price of silver and selling them at the spot price plus $1 per ounce. Again, they'll be solid design tubes, but random tubes. Just always expect big box store type brands, as you can see with the APMAX bars and the JM bars and the flag bars. I don't have a lot of these 1-ounce bars left, but what we do have is available at the spot price of silver plus $1. We have random 5-ounce silver bars, 10-ounce silver bars at the spot price plus $1 per ounce. And of course, retail friendly material, we are buying at the spot price of silver. I have 3 tubes of 2-ounce rounds left. This is the American Eagle design, as you can see. Again, we buy retail friendly material of this size at the spot price of silver per ounce and sell it for the spot price of silver plus $1 per ounce. So if you're interested in 2-ounce rounds, I got 3 tubes left. Each tube contains 20 ounces, so 10 rounds. All right, crowd favorite here, off quality American Silver Eagles. We buy at the spot price plus $1 per ounce, and we sell them at the spot price plus $2.50 per ounce. This is for the milky, scruffy, colorized, overly toned material. This stuff that has maybe a little imperfections in it or completely milky or colorized, that is not what we would consider retail friendly. This is also the material that comes in that is not solid date tubes. So when we buy Silver Eagles, we check to see, okay, are they solid date tubes? First of all, what I mean by that is every coin in the tube is the same date. So are they all 2023s, for example? And then we check to see, well, are they milky, scratched up, scruffy, and therefore. And that's how we determine the price on these. So off quality, miscellaneous random date American Silver Eagles. We buy them at the spot price of silver plus $1, and we're selling them at the spot price of silver plus $2.50 per ounce. Now for solid date retail-friendly American Silver Eagles, we're buying them at the spot price of silver plus $2.50 per ounce. And we're currently selling them at the spot price of silver plus $4 per ounce. So if you're interested in those, we got lots in the shop ready to go. They are all going to be backdates at this point. So can just expect that there are no 2024s at this point. We got a bunch of backdates to get through before we start cracking boxes of 24s. They just keep pouring in, folks. So, and we're going to keep offering them to you guys at this price point until something changes with the APs. APs are authorized purchasers from the U.S. Mint who I source bulk material from. All right. How do we accept payment? Well, we accept payment via cash, wire, Zelle transfers, and also personal checks up to $5,000. Now on the personal checks, we do hold them for 2 weeks before we ship out the product, or let me rephrase that. We hold them up to 2 weeks before we ship out the product, just to make sure that they securely clear the account. But we also accept scrap metal, such as your old scrap gold chains, earrings, mismatched earrings, class rings, old charms, anything from an X, anything that's broken you can't wear anymore, you don't like, whatever, 10 karat, 14 karat, 18 karat, 22 karat, any of this you can turn into cash money, or we can convert it into stackable gold and silver bullion. This has become a popular thing for us, and so we're going to continue to do it. We pay out or convert at 90% of the value. So if you got $1,000 worth of scrap gold or sterling silver, such as these forks and spoons, also any kind of tableware, such as this dish right here, we will pay you 90% of value. So if you got $1,000 worth of material, we'll pay you $900. If you got $10,000 worth of material, we'll pay you $9,000. So that is how we do it. We either pay out cash or we can convert it into stackable precious metals, whatever you guys and gals prefer. So if there's any of this kind of stuff that's just laying around as clutter in a jewelry box or in an old shoe box or something just stored away, safety deposit box, bring it in. We will take care of it for you, either turn it into cash money or stackable gold, silver, and platinum, whatever your choice is. So that's old class rings, chains, earrings, anything gold jewelry wise that's carated, 10 karat, 14, 18, 22, even 999 gold. We are interested in purchasing in the way of jewelry. We do not buy sterling silver jewelry anymore. Unfortunately, too much of it is not what it's supposed to be, and therefore we stop purchasing it. So this is going to be golden. We also buy platinum jewelry too, but most of the jewelry we buy is gold. Then of course any sterling silver flatware, that's your spoons, forks, knives, serving dishes, tableware, sterling silver rounds, tea sets, any of that type of material, we will also purchase at 90% of its value. And here is an example we just cooked up today. So that is a 14 karat gold men's wedding band. It weighs 3.7 pennyweight. And with gold being at $2,420 per ounce, it's actually come down since we started the video. That's what it was this morning when I made this sign up. That ring would be worth $261 in gold. We would pay you 90% of that, so you would get approximately $235 for that gold band if you brought it in and gold was at $2,420. When we price this, we price it at the time that it's in the shop. So whatever gold is when the material gets here is how we price it. So if you're interested in that, please let us know. We're happy to help. We ship either USPS or via UPS, assuming that the weather holds today and allows that to happen. We're going to be doing business as usual. We're open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and Saturdays 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. And remember, we accept payment via cash, wire, Zelle, personal checks up to $5,000 with an up to 2 week hold, and also scrap metal. So if you guys and gals have anything you would like us to take care of for you, please reach out to the shop and we'll be happy to help. Hey, you guys have a great day and stay safe out there, and hopefully our friends to the north of us are faring okay. Hey, we appreciate all the business you guys and gals have thrown our way so far, and we look forward to keep slinging you guys deals. So please reach out to the shop if we can help. Thank you.